Mabuhay! Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Anisa Basinga Dapiosen, 39 years of age, and currently residing in Barangay Inmalog, Sison, Pangasinan, Philippines. I am a solo parent of two daughters named Ramiel, 15 years old, and Kendra, 10 years old. I've been worked before as a domestic helper in Kuwait from 2019 to 2021. And recently, I just finished my contract in Saudi Arabia. I started work there from April 2023 to April 2025. As a domestic helper, I had experience in cooking, cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, and babysitting. Mom and Sir, I hope you choose me and hire me as your new helper. And I'm willing to learn new things to improve my skills to make my job nicely and efficiently. For my future employer, I am looking forward to be part of your family. Have a good day and thank you.